Okie today I'm talking about lagging strand replication, and so kind of like the other one, but a little bit more complex. So here I have my replication bubble, and let's say this is where the replication bubble starts. And so what would happen is DNA polymerase 3 would have latched on here, and boom, gone that way, because it's going to read from towards the big number. So this is my 5' strand, so it's going over this way, right? And the replication fork over here for this bubble is over here, so this is the leading strand on this side, but it's the lagging strand on this side. So how do we get that? And so what's going to happen is primerase is going to come on, and it puts on an RNA primer. It puts on RNA primer. So let's see, RNA polymerase. I'm going to put it right there. So RNA poly, and it's going to lay down a couple DNA or RNA base sequences or RNA bases, and that's going to allow DNA polymerase 3 to come on here, and it's going to be able to build. And so let's see if we have this here. So we have some RNA bases here, and then we have a strand, and it's here, and So that's DNA polymerase 3, and it's made its copies, and it's copying, and then it gets here, and it falls off. Cool. But now we have this strand, so DNA polymerase 3 is here, and then there's going to be another RNA priming body, and so we have all these little strands that go this way. And so now what's going to happen? So now we have this RNA primer in the strand, and we have all these sections, but we need to combine the sections. So we're going to use DNA polymerase 1 first. So DNA polymerase 1 is going to replace the RNA bases with DNA bases. And so basically the DNA polymerase 1, will move over here. So we have DNA poly 1. It's going to come over there. It's going to turn them all like that. But now we have the little section in between them. We just need to finish those little bonds, and that's what ligase is going to do. It's going to stitch it all back together. So stitch back together. And so it's going to take, so now that we have the RNA primers gone, so now we'd have this strand actually it wouldn't be like that. We'd have this strand like this, right? And we have all DNA bases, but we need to fix this little part. So ligase is going to come on through here and make that connection, and now we have a full seamless strand. So primase, we're going to need an RNA primer, and then we're going to need to replace that RNA primer with DNA, again with DNA polymerase 1, and then ligase is going to come back and fix all those bond together, and that's, in a nutshell, lagging strand replication. So I hope that was helpful.